The 2016-2022 Toyota Prius key fob uses a CR2032 battery that lasts 1 to 2 years. The 2016-2022 Toyota Prius key fob uses a CR2032 battery that lasts 1 to 2 years. Symptoms of a low battery include reduced range or failure to start the car. To replace it yourself, you'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or butter knife. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Purchase a CR2032 battery from Amazon, Walmart, or an auto parts store for under $5. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable options that are now available. First, locate the seam on the key fob. This is where the two halves meet and can be pried apart. Gently insert the screwdriver and pry to separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it to avoid damage. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the halves back together and test the key fob functions. If the fob doesn't work, consult your owner's manual on how to reprogram the key fob. Be careful when prying to avoid damaging the rubber gasket, which can lead to water damage. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it.